to today's video where we're going to walk through the customers module, and you can consider this your customer tab or feeder tab, and you'll be able to add and edit customers. We're going to start by showing you how to add a customer. Now, when adding a customer, you'll notice that there are two primary categories of customers. They're going to be your wholesale or point of sale customers, and then you'll have your fence installation customers. And then within those types, you're going to have basically three different subtypes that will be similar between point of sale and install. You'll have your contractor, wholesale contractors, and you'll need to provide such things as the company or agency name, the contact information, their phone address, that sort of information. And you'll also be looking at the source if you want to track where the customer came from or how they heard about you, so you can track the success of your marketing campaigns, whether or not it's going to be an account customer, somebody that you decide to give a credit limit to, and then also whether or not the customer is tax exempt. So there's a number of attributes here, but those are the ones to focus on. As you look at your wholesale contractor, you can also look at your retail customers, and of course the information that needs to be provided there are going to be a little bit different because you're tailoring this directly to one person, and so you'll be interacting directly with the individuals, so that is going to require some different details. So this distinction applies whether it's a point of sale or installation customer. And so once you've entered all the required details, you can then save this information down here or up here, and then that'll bring you back to your list of customers. And for your list of customers, you'll notice that there's a sorted by and then a search option. For the sorted by, you're going to have three different ways to sort your customers. You can do updated date, which is going to show your customers by the most recently updated. Sales volume is what you would think the highest sales volume by customers, and then you'll have the ability to sort by just the customer ID as well. So those are going to help you sort your list according to the way that you need it to be sorted to find your customer. Or you can go to your search option, and here you can you'll see the various categories that we talked about when creating a new customer. And so you can fine-tune your search by just selecting one type, and then you can see that's going to filter your list some. And then if you wanted to try to find one particular contractor, you could start typing, and then it's going to the search field's going to pull in any customer with Florida in the name. And from there, you can make any changes that you deem necessary to that customer, or if you just want to view their contact information, you can do that here. So the other thing to point out is you can this sorted by is going to be filtered according to your search. So let's say, for instance, we want to focus on wholesale contractors and search that. I now have this sorted button that's going to sort just the wholesale contractors, and I can do that by sales volume and customer. So you can try to slice this down a little bit more according to what your needs are. But generally speaking, just to highlight some of the key features and parameters, you got your customer source tracking. That is going to determine how where you got your customers, what sort of marketing campaigns you may be using, and what's working and what's not. You've got your tax exempt status that you can set your if you have a tax exempt form from your customer, you can go ahead and set that customer as tax exempt, and then you don't have to worry about sales tax for them. And then you also have your price levels that are set for your customer, and that's going to be one of the 4 price level categories. And when you set it at the customer level, then when you create a new transaction for that customer, everything's going to be marked up at that price level. And again, price level can vary. What the actual markup can vary based on the product category or the specific product, but it's first going to look to the price level. So those are your main features, and that completes today's video.